How to maintain your Booz Block wood cutting board. Your Booz Block cutting board can last you a lifetime. By following these simple care and maintenance instructions, you can prolong the life, usage, and preserve the quality of your wood cutting board. Before applying any Booz Block care and maintenance products, always make sure your cutting board is clean and free of food particles. Wash the cutting board with mild dish soap, rinse with warm water, and let it stand on end to dry. Booz Block Mystery Oil is a food-grade oil that is recommended to be used in conjunction with the Booz Block board cream. The mystery oil is easily absorbed and penetrates deeply into the grains of the wood surface to help protect and revitalize the fibers from drying, bleaching, and cracking. As for the board cream, it seals the wood top surface, leaving a silky wax barrier that locks in moisture. A minimum of once a month, apply a coat of Booz Block Mystery Oil to the entire surface of your cutting board. Using a clean cloth or disposable towel, evenly spread the mystery oil across the entire cutting board surface, making sure to oil the bottom and the sides of the board. Allow the mystery oil to fully penetrate through the wood fibers overnight, then wipe off any excess oil with a clean cloth or disposable towel. Make sure you check for any visible dry areas. If any dry areas are visible, apply an additional thin layer of mystery oil across the cutting board surface. After you have properly oiled your cutting board surface, it is recommended to use our Booz Block board cream to add an extra layer of protection to seal the wood surface. Apply a layer of the board cream evenly across the surface and let it sit overnight. Wipe off any excess board cream with a clean cloth or disposable towel. Depending on the use and household conditions, be sure to always repeat these steps at least once a month. Our Booz Block Mystery Oil and board cream uses all natural ingredients and is safe for all food preparation surfaces.